Make your taxi business a success today when you partner with Hinde Toyota Boksburg. From Beit Bridge to Cape Arghulus, Hinde Toyota Boksburg are SA's #1 service advisor and supplier to the taxi industry.
Their story spans over 48 years in the motor trade. Yet every day begins a new chapter inspired by those who are in pursuit of a better way of life.
Hinde Toyota Boksburg, this branch specifically, have open door policies for taxis. They can come service the vehicle here. When they bring the vehicle for service, they're going to check the brake pads, they're going to check the oil, they're going to check this and that. If there is no proper coaching and then things go haywire, that's how you get vehicle repossessed, that's how you get cars not being serviced on a regular basis, because such people are not getting proper coaching from the word go. But if people get proper coaching, if they know what to do with this thing that handles people's lives, then it's easier to maintain the vehicle and to get it paid out. Financing of a vehicle is a lot easier. It's you come, you apply for finance, you get approved, you come, you sign contract, you're gone. It's a lot easier. But on a taxi, they have to make sure the routes are right. They have to make sure the amount that he is going to bring in is right, so the banks don't hang a person. It is different. And when you apply for the info finance, you have to make sure that as a salesperson, you make or you get the best financing option for them as possible, or what they're comfortable with. Our parts department is almost this whole place is a parts department. It is extremely big. The parts are readily available, so taxi operators don't need to wait and say, we need an air filter, we need a diesel pump, everything is readily available.
Parked next to me is the brand new Toyota Hi-Ace 16-seater. I want to give you a couple of things you should know about it. Number one, its reintroduction into the market marks the return of a legendary name known throughout the taxi industry. Number two, the Hi-Ace is available with either a 2.5-litre turbo diesel engine or a 2.7-litre petrol engine. Number three, besides the superb driving comfort that it now offers, the Hi-Ace is renowned as one of the most indestructible vehicles in the industry. Number four, it's safer than any previous generation, boasting ABS brake assist, traction control and dual airbags. Number five, all Hi-Ace models now come standard with a 36-month, 60,000 kilometer service plan and a 36-month, 100,000 kilometer warranty. Contact Hinde Toyota Boksburg today on the number 087 350 6530.
Hinde Toyota Boksburg, your #1 premium taxi dealer.